Hi, everybody. Welcome back to Library Highlights with Mary. August is National Read a Romance Novel Month. Now, I asked our reader advisory librarian if she would come up with a list of romance novels that aren't your normal romance novels or by authors who don't normally write romance. So, came up with a couple that I picked out, and I made myself little notes on how to describe each one of them. This one here is Chocolate by Joanne Harris, and it's a different kind of romance, but I think some of you would really like it. This one here, it's in large print. Of course, we have all media on some of these. This one here is called Lost Lake by Sarah Addison Allen. And this one here is a novel about one last chance. And it's got several people who come back to this lake all the time. Or for one last time. So it's kind of cool. This one here is called All the Light We Cannot See by Anthony Doerr. Now, it is basically your regular type epic. And it's a good romance too, in a different way. And then this one here is your old-fashioned Loss and Triumph. And it's called The Tea Room by Jennifer Donnelly. And then last but not least is Suzanne's Diary for Nicholas by James Patterson. Now, who'd have thought he'd write a romance novel? This one here is one of those that when you start, you don't want to put down. And actually, I'm reading it right now, and I don't want to put it down, but I have to work, so I have to put it down. But it's not going to take me long to finish it. So there's a few that you can choose from, and if you have any questions or want to pick out something different, just stop at the reference desk and they'll help you. August 9th is Book Lovers Day. So as far as I'm concerned, if you're a book lover, any book you read can be considered a romance novel. August 14th is the National Navajo Code Talkers Day. If you've never read about the Navajo Code Talkers, that's a subject you really ought to read about. Very, very interesting. They were essential for the win in World War II for the United States. They were U.S. Marines, and several of them got Purple Hearts. And Purple Heart Day is August 9th. But the Code Talker books that we have several of them. There's a biography about Chester Nez. He was one of the main ones, and this is a really good one. And then there's Code Talker, which this book happens to be in both children's and YA. And then you have smaller ones in children's, that Navajo Code Talkers. And then here's another one, Chester Nez and the Unbreakable Code. Now, all of these are really good, and I think you guys would really enjoy reading about them. They're really kind of cool how they came up with it. So give those a try. Okay, guys, this is our new library director. Her name's Hannah Norris Milligan. She's been with the library about 9 years, and I've known her the whole time. She's amazing, and she's going to make one great library director. So, Hannah, what made you interested in working in a library?
Well, I've been a library user my entire life, and I really love the aspect of librarianship where I'm always learning and I'm able to fulfill my passion for serving the public.
Cool. Are you planning on doing a lot of outreach?
I hope to do more outreach as time goes on. I think that is a good way to reconnect the community with the library and to increase usage of our resources and services.
And what kind of books do you like to read?
I read everything from juvenile, teens, and adults. I usually am simultaneously reading nonfiction and an adult fiction title. And lately, I'm mainly reading historical fiction and fantasy.
Yeah, you kind of sound like me. My husband always says that I have a satellite library at my house because I always have more than one book going at a time. But that's just the way it is when you work in a library, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Do you have anything else you want to say?
I'm looking forward to working with everyone in the library and the entire community of Rogers. And I would like to know about your necklace that you're wearing.
Oh, my necklace. This is the August Take It, Make It kit. And what it is, it's a book necklace. And this little piece right here is part of a page from one of my favorite genres, which is true crime. So I think they're adorable. I really like them. I think everybody should come pick one up. You should try one.
Wonderful. I'll have to make one.
Yeah. Okay. Thanks a lot, Hannah.
Thank you, Mary.
And good luck to everything.
Thank you.
You bet.
Okay, you guys, I hope you found some valuable information with what I shared with you this week. Don't forget, we have the Navajo Code Talkers, we have romance novels, we have the Take It, Make It kit, and we need to welcome Hannah, and we look forward to the new adventure that we're going to have here at the library with Hannah at the helm. So, see you all next time. This is Mary signing out. Hope you have a wonderful week. Bye.